Hi, this is Aki, and welcome back to my channel. I see a lot of comments in social media about Judge Cannon. A lot of negative comments about her. They're upset because they think that she's dragging the situation with the Trump document case in Florida. But reality is, unfortunately, for those who know me by now, that Jack Smith is a major screw up. And this is not the first time he has screwed up cases. Um, as a prosecutor or whatever the heck he was before this situation with Trump. The Tea Party folks, he was involved with that. He screwed up. The first Bob Melendez case, he screwed that up. There were several cases he screwed up. One case went all the way to the Supreme Court, and they had a 9-0 decision against Jack Smith. So I don't know why Biden would be stupid enough to put this knucklehead back into the system to go after Trump. And as you saw, it's not just the Judge Cannon document case. The DC case is on hold, and the Florida case is on hold. The only reason why you're not having this problem in New York is because you got Dingbat and Ding Dong running the court system and the district attorney's office. And we all know how well that went yesterday. If you're we're on the rock, because Alan Bragg's situation, the House Democrats got nervous, told Kathy Hochul, you better kill that congested pricing because the Republicans are going to use it as a weapon against us, and we're going to lose the House for good in November. We already lost seats the last time. We may not get them back. And she killed it. This is Alan Bragg's doing. But the thing is with the Judge Cannon, I found out that they had a harassment complaint against her. They sent over 1,000 complaints to her bosses trying to get rid of her. However, her bosses got a little wise and noticed something strange was going on with these complaints. It was like an organized campaign. The complaints seemed to be very similar. Like maybe a few people were doing all these complaining and writing all this stuff. It's not like a grassroots campaign, like somebody in North Dakota is writing, and someone in Washington D.C. is writing, and someone in Chicago is writing, and someone in San Antonio. No, it's they didn't explain exactly, but it did seem like an organized campaign and very suspicious. And it's gotten so bad. These complaints have gotten so bad that her bosses told the law clerk not to accept any more complaints, especially if they look similar. They're on to you, whoever's doing this campaign. You blew any chances of getting rid of Judge Eileen Cannon. You blew it. They are not going to remove her. They're not going to tell her how to rule in her courtroom. You blew it. They're not going to do none of that. You piss these people rawly off, and you keep sending complaints. You know what's going to happen? You're going to get a knock on your door from the authorities. And if you're in one of these red states, it's not going to end well for you. If you end up in Florida and clip, handcuffs. So my advice, whoever's doing these complaints, drop it. You lost. She's not going anywhere. She's going to stay on this case until it ends, whether you like it or not. If somebody was doing that to the D.C. mayor, you would believe this was she showing up in the news media every night. Oh, they're harassing the D.C. Judge, and it's not right, it's not fair, there's racism. Okay. But you can't be doing that. Your campaign failed. The judges in Florida know what you're doing. They're not biting. They're not fooled. They're onto you. And if you keep it up, you might be the next contestant in the Florida courtroom. Better hope it's not Polk County, because they have a real nice sheriff in there who's very hilarious on social media after he busts people. Just ask people at Disney what happened when their employees get busted for child trafficking. It doesn't end well for them either. Don't be that guy. Don't do it. Stop it. It's over. You lost. You're not getting anywhere. Jack Smith is not getting anywhere. He's such an imbecile. He can't convict a ham sandwich, and he's trying to convict the President of the United States. He's no Alan Braggs, folks. He cannot cut the mustard. Okay? I mean, this guy could eat the mustard by breathing it through his nose like it's nothing. But that's not what he's there for. So, we're sorry, Jack Smith, but your days and these two cases may be coming to an end pretty soon. Especially if the courts rule against you. So, this is Alkan saying so long for now. Don't forget your stop. And stop harassing Cannon. You lost. End of story.